same-day delivery as long as around soon. Tapos, konti lang yung ilagay nyo. Yung lahat. Sobrang sarap. So, hi guys! Another day, another video. I have your deliveries from the brand Coop. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but lalagay ko na lang siya dito. And alam nyo ba, in-order ko lang to kahapon ng umaga and dumating na siya nung gabi. So, they guarantee same-day delivery as long as around Seoul. Pero kapag siguro outside Seoul, it might take a little bit some time. Pero ayun nga. And alam nyo, yung Coop is an online shopping app where you can download sa inyong Play Store or App Store. And alam nyo ba, hindi nyo kailangan ng phone number dito sa Korea or residence ID kung mag-register at mag-order kayo. So for example, turista kayo, gusto nyo lang mag-enjoy kasi syempre halimbawa meron lang kayong 3 days. Tapos wala na kayong time to buy something pang pasalubong or anything else. So pwede nyo i-download yung Coop since meron silang mga snacks, ramyun, skincare, na mababa yung prices at pwede nyong i-try para talagang sulit yung inyong experience dito sa Korea. Or another scenario, halimbawa meron kayong boyfriend, lover, or friends ng Koreans tapos gusto nyo silang padalhan ng something pero hindi nyo alam kung saan. So I suggest i-download nyo yung Coop kasi yun nga, pwede kayong mag-register just using your email ID tapos ayun na, makaka-order kayo and same day delivery pa siya. Then, again, mag-guarantee ko na mas mababa yung prices nila compare sa other shopping app na nagamit ko na. So, yeah. For today's video, let's unbox this. By the way pala guys, it might seem big. Talaga naman kasing big siya. And meron pang another one dito. Pero ano ba guys, this is just 58,000 won for 2 boxes na siya. Diba? Sulit talaga. And more on ramyun, snacks, and coffee yata. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga in-order ko. Kasi nga, the semester starts and kailangan kong alam niyo na, mag-ipon ng mga pagkain para hindi ako magutom during the semester. So yeah, let's open this one. So, ayan o. Nakikita niyo, diba? Nakikita niyo ba yung word na Coop? Okay. Oh, see? Oh, I love this one. They have letter here. So, hey, we're so glad to have you on board. Your support makes all the difference to Coop. Love Coop. Wow. This is it. This is what I'm saying. So, of course, as a coffee lover, what I have here is Maxim. I don't know kung magkano lang to, but lalagay ko dyan yung price. And sobrang sulit nga. Look, 56 na to. So, pang full semester na to. I also have here, gusto ko yung aesthetic sana. I also ordered what? Ooh, matcha. Of course, matcha. I also ordered matcha. So much. Ang ramyun. Actually guys, magpapadala rin kasi ako ng mga gamit ko sa Philippines. So I also decided na maglagay ng some ramyun. So ito, pwede siyang pang Philippines. Oreo. And yung expiration date nila talagang matatagal pa. I also have here. Tea. Wow! So, this is my favorite ramen. Wait. Okay, this one muna, spaghetti. And of course, this ramyun. Dalawa to alam ko eh, kasi gusto ko yung ramyun. Nakakatuwa. My favorite! This is really my favorite, you know? This is the buldak, pero cheese siya. So, kung hindi kayo mahilig sa maanghang, ito kainin nyo. Tapos, konti lang yung ilagay nyong sauce. Huwag yung lahat. Sobrang sarap na ito. And this one, I haven't tried it. This one, I haven't tried it. So, this is Rapokki. Rapokki ramyun. Another ramen. Ang dami ko ramen pala. Ang dami ko palang na-check out na ramen. then, another ramen. So, ramen. Pwede pala akong magbenta ng ramen sa dorm. Wait, hinulog. And of course, another ramen. And another kimchi ramen. Iba-iba yung flavor. And of course, I got myself, eto tigo 1,000 mo naman. So, honey butter. And also, ang dami, nakakatuwa. Finish. Finish. Yes. This is what I ordered for only 58,000. Tapos hindi delivery pa siya. So nakamura talaga ako. Kaysa naman mag-shop pa ako, it will cost me time, tapos yung taxi pa, tapos yung energy ko pa. Unlike kapag nag-browse lang ako sa Coop app, pwede na ako maka-order and ma-deliver agad.